Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to slice object with plane in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, first you need to create here a new project, and after that you need to go to create body, you need to click on create sketch, and then you need to select XY plane. Now you need to click OK button, and then we will create here a simple object. For example, I click on this one icon and I select here rectangle. Now I draw here a simple rectangle, maybe something like that. After that I click close button and I select here pad. I'm going to change the length of this object maybe to 30 and I click OK button to create it. Okay, now we need to change mode from part design to part, so I click on it, then I click on this one icon to create primitives, and then on geometric primitives I select plane. I type here length maybe 60 and the same value to width I type here 60. And I click create. Now I click close button and we need to go to model settings and here we need to select plane. Now I click right mouse button on it and I click transform. Then I will be able to change position of this plane. So I need to set it how I want to cut it. So I change position maybe to this one. And now we need to change position and view to see how it works. Okay, it looks really great now. So now I click OK button. And then I need to click on body and I need to convert it to solid. So I go to part and I select here this one option, convert to solid. Okay, now I click on this one arrow, I press and hold shift and I select plane. So both objects are selected now. So we can go to part, we can go to split and we need to select this one option, slice apart. So now if we will click on this one arrow, you can see here two different objects. If you will select one of them, and you will click right mouse button here and select transform, you will be able to change position of it somewhere here or somewhere here. So there are two different objects that you can easily control. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use it in your project, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.